Guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. So we are back with another hair tutorial for you guys. I have this lovely unit from Sunber here, and I'm going to show you guys how I install this unit. Before we go any further in the video, I just want to say happy 5th anniversary to Sunber Hair Store. Happy birthday, Sunber. I love you guys. I love working with your company because you always send me quality, always. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So we are back with another hair tutorial, and today we are working with Sunber here. This is their new packaging. I'm just going to show you guys what I received in my package. As per usual, we received a lot of goodie from Sunber here, and this is their branding. So today I actually have a great video for you guys. We will be installing Sunber Hair's Kinky Straight, Kinky Edge, Realistic Hairline unit. And I already love this unit straight out the box. This is it. I love it. These baby hairs were actually designed to imitate and look just like our natural kinky edges, and I just love that about this unit. If you want to get this hair, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link, make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Sunber here, the website is in my description as well. Go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. Alright guys, so I'm just going to use the wig cap that they sent for us. Yeah, I will be wearing a wig cap today. So I love using their wig cap because it is super thin. This is like the only wig cap I actually use. Other than that, I just use my wig grip strap. But this is it, y'all. So now I have my wig cap on. I'm just going to go ahead and put some foundation on my lace. Before we put it on, this is what our lace is looking like. Just going to go ahead and put some foundation on my lace, and then we put our wig on. Alright guys, this is what our wig is looking like now that we added our foundation. Just going to go ahead and put my wig on. It already came with the strap on already, so that is good. I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig on. Guys, so I just put my wig on. This is it, and you can see how realistic the baby hair looks. This is it. Let me comb these out and see what difference it makes. Like, it is so pretty. It looks so natural, so realistic. Like, this actually looks like my, well, I'm not even gonna lie, I don't have this much baby hair, but if I did, this is what it would look like. This is it, y'all. I love it. Look at that. Again, this unit is from Sunber here, and if you'd like to purchase this unit, go ahead and click the link in my description and make your purchase. If you want to get any other wig from Sunber here, their website is also in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. Just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig, but this is what the hairline is looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. So today I'll be using my Even Wonder Lace Bond glue to install my unit. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my install. So now I'm just gonna apply a little bit of got to be glue in the part before we tie this down, but this is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna apply some got to be glue in the part to secure it a little bit better, and then we tie this down and finish up our wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down. Again, they sent a melting strap for us in our package. Just gonna go ahead and tie this down. Hair is so fluffy and I love it. I'm still gonna go ahead and flat iron it though and get it a little bit flat, but this is it. It is so full. Its texture is amazing. It is super soft. I love it. Again, this wig is from Sunber here, so if you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead, click that link, make your purchase. If you want to get any other wigs from Sunber here, the website is in my description as well. Go ahead and make your purchase. Just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. This is what it's looking like. This is it. I love this. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like now that I cut the excess lace off. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my curling iron to make my baby hairs. I definitely will be getting these curls back because I feel like they're super cute on this unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get my curls on my edges. So I will be using my Cream of Nature mousse to make my baby hair today. So this is our baby hair for today. I ended up putting the middle back just because I felt like it didn't fit my face very much. So I put it back. This is what we're working with today. I'm just gonna tie this down and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna apply some of my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. This is super thick, but it's super lightweight. I'm just gonna add a little bit of moisture and silkiness to this unit. So I will be using my Paul Mitchell Flexible Style Heat Protection Spray for this unit. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. Super soft. This is it. This is what the edges are looking like. It was so easy to get it straight. Like honestly, I just love it. This is it. You cannot tell that this is a kinky unit. It is given silky straight right now. Again, this wig is from Sunber here. This is their Kinky Edge Kinky Straight unit and I love it. The edges are given and the lace melts so good with my skin. I just love this unit. Honestly, this is it. And it comes fully customized, pre-plucked with pre-made baby hair. The strap is already attached. It's fully customized for you guys. This is the finished look. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Sunber here, the website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look and I totally love how this turned out. This is it. You saw how fluffy it was before and it took me one try to actually get it this flat and straight. This is it. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.